Hi guys, welcome back. I have another quick workout for you. It's going to be all legs today. So stand on up with me, have your toes forward. And again, I'm very aware I do not match, but I am at the beach again, fresh out of the ocean. Thought I'd make quick videos with you guys. I'm hanging out with my youngest daughter today. She's up in a tree right now, literally. And so let's knock out this quick leg workout for you. Standing up for me, legs are apart, and we're gonna do some squats. So toes are pointed for me, stomach's nice and engaged, nice and tight. I want you to sit back like you're sitting in that chair and then stand right back up, pushing those hands behind you. Squat down into prayer position with your hands, praying, and then push back. Sit back, push. Remember, when you are doing squats, you want to make sure those knees do not go over those feet. So sit back like you're sitting on a chair. It actually looks like I'm sitting on this bench behind me, but I am not. I'm actually in front of it. I'm not cheating, I swear. All right, you guys, we have 4 more of these. We're going to do 4, 3, 2, last one. 1. Keep those feet where they are. What we are going to do is, there is a bird above me in this tree. Okay. We're going to squat, and then we're going to bring a knee up right like this, and then we're going to squat again, and then we're going to bring this knee up. All right, so here we go. We're going to squat down, prayer position, bring that knee up. Squat down, bring that opposite knee up. Squat. You want to join us, Erin? Up. My daughter's to the side of me. Up. You can pop in if you like. No. Squat. Bring that knee up. Remember, if you can't bring your knee up that high, that's okay. You can always do that. Or just lift from your toes. Squat and then lift from your toes if you don't want to do knees. Squat it back. Bring that knee up if you can. Squat down into prayer. Knee. Squat down. Knee. 1 more. Squat. Knee. Nice. All right, let's get those feet together. We're going to go over to a lunge. We're going to go out wide. Want you to give me a squat lunge and then right back here. Out wide, squat it back, and then right here. Make sure that butt goes behind you, watching this knee doesn't go over those toes. Over to the side, squat. Squat. Nice job, guys. All right, we're gonna do 4 more on this side. 4, 3, 2, last one. 1. Okay, we're gonna do those squats again, the prayer squats with alternating knees. So come on with me. Don't worry, I did not forget that we have to do the other side. We're gonna do that after this. So here we go. Squat it down into prayer. Up, knee. Squat down, knee. Alternating sides. Toes are forward. Stomach's in tight. Sit it back, knee. Remember, if you can't do the knee, you can always just come on up on those toes. Bring your toes up, or just lift up a little. If you want to try that, that works as well. Find your level and just keep moving. All right, you guys, we have 4 more. That's 2 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to step this way and we're going to do those side lunges. So just step out, squat behind you, and then right back together. Squat it out wide, get that butt behind you, sit back, and then up. Sit back, and then up. I am so glad my tripod is not falling over with this wind. Nice job, guys. Keep on going. Watch those knees. You're doing great. We have 4 more here. That's 1, 2, 3, 1 more. 1. Nice job, guys. All right, let's shake that out a little bit. Feet together. What we're gonna do is I want you to keep your feet and your knees together if all possible. We're gonna squat all the way down nice and deep. The goal is to touch that ground and then come right back up. But I want you to keep your head up and your chest up. Don't bend from the back. It's all legs. So here we go. We're gonna go all the way down, touch that ground, and then come right back up. Touch that ground. Keep those heels. Here's a side view. Keep those heels on the floor. Push into that ground so those heels don't lift up. Now, if you can't touch the ground, that's okay. If this is as far as you can go, that is totally fine. Again, this is your workout. Make it work for you. You'll notice the more you do these workouts, the easier it will get each time. And then one day, you will be touching the ground with us. Nice job, guys. Remember, keep that back straight, keep that chest up. Feet are together. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do back lunges. I'm gonna do side because I don't have room. So back lunge, you stand right like this. You take a nice step back, bending the back knee up and then together. We're gonna alternate sides. Step back nice and wide, bend that back leg, and then bring it together. Step wide, come join me. That's 10. Whoops, I almost fell. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, whoa, 4, I can't look at the camera. 3, 2, 1 more. 1. Nice job, guys. Put those feet together. We're gonna go down and touch that ground again. Feet together, knees together. If you can, touch that ground, going all the way down. When you come up, squeeze those cheeks behind you. Here we go. All the way down, touch. Remember, keep that chest, keep that head up, and then together. Really squeezing those cheeks when you stand up. Nice. All right. Woo! We are getting it done. My daughter got me to swim out to the sandbar today. The ocean, not gonna lie, I was kind of scared and it was harder than it looked. And then we had to swim back. 1 more. Nice. All right, let's do those back lunges. I am not gonna look at you because when I do, it throws me off. I'm gonna look forward. Remember when you do those back lunges though, take a good step back. Don't be like this, okay? You're gonna ruin your knees. You wanna be nice and wide. All right, you guys, let me make sure I'm in frame. Here we go, we got 10 of these. Alternating sides. I knew that was gonna happen. Alan, can you hold my camera, please? Ah! Oh. Well, it lasted pretty good. All right, let me make sure I'm in frame. No, I'm not. Sorry, guys. All right. Here we go. Let's start over. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, guys. All right, let's go and do our stretches now. We're gonna go knee to knee. If you need help with balance, hold on to something or have your arm up or forward Or you can even use something like this bench and put your foot on top of it. Here we go. And hold. Knee to knee. Man, that is like super shaky. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna hurry up and... Yikes. Other side. Yeah, we're gonna end this quick because it's shaky, shaky. All right, nice and wide, guys. Bend over to one side. Make sure that butt is behind you. Can you tilt that down a little bit? Other side. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Got my helper behind me, Erilyn. Thank you, Erilyn. And up. All right, you guys, let's end with those breathing. You're gonna inhale through your nose. You're gonna lift up your arms nice and slow, filling up those lungs on the side. Then we're gonna hold on top. We're gonna exhale out of our mouth, bringing our arms nice and slowly down in front of us. Here we go. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Inhale. Hold. Release. One more time. Up. Hold. Exhale. Awesome job, guys. As always, make sure to drink your water. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe if you like these. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you are notified every time I post for these quick and easy workouts. Thank you again, Erilyn. She's behind the camera. You can say hi to her in the comments. Anyway, we're back out to the ocean to get more exercise. Here's to a healthier you. Peace out.